Hello everyone. This video is about whether it is worth it to operate cars in winter, and especially cars like Rolls Royce. We have today Rolls Royce Phantom Coupe, but my answer right away, right in the first few seconds of this video, is definitely not to operate such cars in winter. First of all, these cars are not young. Secondly, these cars are very expensive to maintain. Thirdly, after such winter use, your car will definitely not increase in value, but most likely will lose value. Let me show you this archive video. Some time ago, or rather a few years ago, I looked at this car. I wanted to buy it for a friend. But basically, now we've just got a view from the bottom of this is the official Rolls-Royce Avalon dealer, which was still around then. But now we just do the diagnostics, and I am present at that. Looking ahead, I will say that the car was not bought because the mileage was curled, but also this state from below. But there was still such a not very good diagnostics in the end. Well, you realize that Rolls-Royce in an incomprehensible condition is definitely not worth buying, for the simple reason that then you cannot cope with it. But of course, if the price corresponds, there are no questions. At stake is only your nerves and your money. But here, all this case did not cross, so I had to abandon this purchase. But let's return to what we started with concerning winter operation. But if suddenly there is such a need, still, probably, it is necessary to choose moments when it is dry. If you have to drive in winter, then before a long parking, make sure to wash the car from underneath. It seems kind of lazy to bother with this. In the opposite direction, we'll have to be driven on a tow truck if this whole thing happens, for example, in winter. But believe me, it is worth it. And all this agony is worth it because you will keep your asset and your car in order. That's all I have for now. Have a good view, everyone.